Southwest Lobster Rolls. We're talking grilled tail meat and creamy cilantro-lime slaw packed into garlicky toasted buns. A new take on an old Northeast classic. Drop half the butter in each of these. We're going to make a compound. We're actually going to make a garlic butter to go with the rolls for these lobster rolls. And we're also going to make a basting butter that we're going to put on there with a little habanero. I've got some garlic here.
Nice.
Give me a little zest of that lime. We'll get some capers in here as well.
Go there, go there.
Thank you. We're going to hit some of the lime juice into it. Watch out, coming over, dropping some shallots in. I want to drop this parsley over to you here, and that's going to be for that butter. Turn that heat down a little bit. I'm going to drop this habanero.
It's an essence. I just let it steep in the butter and in the white wine, and that really just let it come out a little bit. You knew it was there, but it didn't burn you.
So you see how this is all coming together?
Yes,
so
sir.
we got the garlic, we got the shallots, we got the habanero, we got the capers. We got to turn that one down because it's going to start to burn. That's going to go together. We're going to grill some lobster tails. In this lobster tail, I want you to go right here at the center.
Yep.
Push through.
Yep.
Down. Now, the younger the lobster, or actually, if it's molted, if it's lobster, it's going to have a little thinner shell. Sometimes you'll get into them and you'll be pushing down on them. You're like, there's no way I'm getting through it.
Right.
So go ahead and crack them all the way through. Cut them in half. Okay. While he does that, I got a little garlic butter.
I mean, completely.
Yeah, back to where I was, right in the
And then right there. Boom.
Okay,
And then
now, as he does that, I am actually going to leave. No, I'm sorry.
See you later. Let's go ahead.
Okay.
No worries.
No, you got to go all the way through. Okay, you good?
Good. Tell me to put them in half.
Now here's what I want to do.
What do you want to
Throw them on here.
Okay.
And grab yourself a spoon and drizzle a little bit of the habanero butter on it. I'll switch sides with you.
Gotcha.
Because I'm going to pull the yuca out. There you go, big spoon. Drizzle some of the habanero butter right on top.
The texture and the sweet aspect of lobster is really what makes it so great. So now you can take it spicy, and you can take it Asian, it can be Italian, it can be subtle, it can be cold, it can be hot, it goes anywhere.
So these go down right here, Joey. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start them in the shell, get a little sear on them, flip them over, mark them off, continue to baste them. And the last thing we gotta work on before we put this all together, let's talk about rolls. Okay, so take a look at this, brother. And here's what we'll do, we'll start them right here.
Lobster roll.
I'm gonna let you work on this.
Okay.
So we take knife, we're gonna do it just like they do in New England.
Center. Yep.
Gonna cut it right down the center like this.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Spin them open.
Open it just a little bit. Hit in just a touch of that garlic butter right on like that. And throw it on the grill.
It's like magic.
You see the magic? All right, so what do we have for you? Some fantastic lobster that's been grilled, basted with a little bit of a habanero butter. Then we've got some toasted rolls over here with a little garlic butter onto those. This beautiful lobster, cooked in the shell over hardwood. And this is really not gonna look right, but here, I'm gonna let you try this right here. Oh, good, thank you. I thought you were gonna make me feed you. Huh? Okay. You got that? Bring it over here. Let's do this. Tag team, throw a little avocado right on there.
Slither in there?
Just 2 pieces. So we hit a little garlic butter on top of this.
Right.
Excellent. Now we're gonna go, Joey, there's some more of that. Now we'll throw some of the lobster meat in there.
And throw that little juice in there.
I got this.
Yeah.
Okay. Throw a little bit of that on top.
See, what I like about this, you bring your own flavor to it, no pun intended, but it's got the heat. That's what I like. I like heat. I do. And a lot of
Lobster
stuff that
rolls
you
can
do,
get a little bit boring.
So when you put the heat on it, it's
Absolutely. Hit me with a little bit more. We'll
more
get some tomato, some avocado right here.
You got it.
Okay. This one. You know, when you get a little bit of that bite, you taste that habanero, but it's not too overpowering.
Love it.
Okay, let me throw one on there for you. I got a cold beer right here.
This is a lobster roll right here. Lobster. Right?
There you go. 1, 2, 3.
All right. That right there is a kick lobster roll.
Did you just edited your own comment?
I did.
So here's the deal. Hanging out in the backyard, cooking with your friends, especially your famous friend from NSYNC, Joey Fatone, my brother. You killed it on Rachel vs. Guy Celebrity. You rocked the kitchen tonight. Next time you come back, you set the menu, and we'll go from there. Okay?
Yeah.